Is your Kia Soul key fob not working? First, try the simplest solution. Replace the battery. Most fobs use a CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob carefully, replace the battery with the positive side up, and test. If that doesn't work, you might need to relearn or reprogram the fob. For 2010-2018 models, insert the key, cycle to on without starting, and press lock-unlock. Newer models, 2019 and later, may require the Kia Connect app or a dealership visit. These two steps solve most common key fob issues. If battery replacement and relearning procedures don't resolve the key fob issue, the problem could be with the receiver module in your car's body control module, or BCM. Diagnosis typically requires professional help and involves using an OBD2 scanner to check for specific error codes, such as B1322, which indicates a key fob mismatch or receiver fault. Replacing the receiver module or the entire BCM can cost between $200 and $500 at a repair shop, but this may be covered under Kia's comprehensive warranty, which typically extends up to 10 years or 100,000 miles. Looking to the future, Kia is transitioning to digital key systems that work through smartphone apps, allowing over-the-air updates to remotely fix key fob and connectivity issues. Future Kia Soul models may include predictive maintenance features that use the vehicle's sensors to detect and alert you to potential key fob issues before they become problems. To stay ahead of potential issues, keep your Kia Connect app updated for the latest software fixes, over-the-air updates, and important recall information regarding your key fob system.